Saffron, oh, saffron's mad about me.
Last year we had a bumper harvest, 4 kilos.
So that's what makes it so expensive?
Yeah.
A gram of saffron contains 500 threads and can sell for up to £75, making it more expensive than gold.
They call me mellow yellow, quite rightly. They call me mellow yellow.
Gino!
What?
Stay in your lane.
There is no flowers in there.
Stay. You're not looking properly. Look at the flowers you're missing. You can't just pick different people's lanes.
Guys, can I just let you know there's some ladies that are working in silence.
Yes, they
If people
are.
were screaming like this in your kitchen, Gordon.
He's jumping over lanes. You need to complete a lane. You can't just go where the flowers are. Look.
I'm not deaf, you don't have to shout. Hello?
Hello.
Can I take yours?
One sec, I need another tray, guys.
Well done.
Guys,
Hey, excuse me, you stole from the ladies.
You just
Would I?
went to the girl over there.
there is... No.
I have been breaking my back here, and that's all I got. And I haven't been talking.
Oh, you're too slow.
And you are a cheater.
Is it true that saffron, it makes your willy go like ping? like
I wouldn't say it was that fast, but people with that sort of dysfunction, it has been shown, anecdotally of course, that it
okay.
works.
That's a nice sidecar.
That's a nice one.
Salam alaikum.
Bonjour.
These Berber ladies extract a staggering 2 million red threads every harvest, worth around £30,000.
Hey, I feel very relaxed being here.
Yeah.
Because you can hear the bees, it's very quiet and calm.
They say that when you're picking saffron, it makes you happy.
Why?
Because over millennia, they've used saffron to help people who are depressed.
Now I understand why it's so expensive, because it's so time-consuming, and you need to have all these hands working. My God, what a labor of love this is.
I have a 4 strand. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means good luck.
Yeah?
5 ou 6.
Oui, il y a 6.
What she
You
said?
just ruined my Christmas. I was all excited and boom.
I'm scared, Gordon.
With our camper out of fuel, I've borrowed this vintage Russian motorbike and sidecar to get us back to Marrakesh.
Piano, I can't see the map.
If we can find it, that is.
Turn right.
You know it's not right.
Yes, he's right.
No, it's
Look.
not.
That's where Marrakesh is. Shit. Guys, I lost the piece that says Marrakesh.
Seriously?
Excuse me?
Salam alaikum. Excuse me, bonjour.
Marrakesh.
Marrakesh.
Back that
Come
way.
there.
Fucking hell.
Thank you. We go the other way.
He looks German.
We need to go right now.
Are you sure this is the way?
That's what the navigation system said.
You know we're riding on the Marrakesh Express. You know we're riding
Mia porca. I'm gonna die in Morocco. I don't want to die.
What the fuck? Oh la la. What's that?
Yeah, I know. This was a stupid idea with this 3-wheeled car.
And my nuts.
Ooh.
I think we've got lost.
Well, there's a village there.
You know we're riding.
Piano with this thing.
Slow down, there's goats everywhere.
Whoa.
Stop.
Wait.
Stop. Salam alaikum.
Via.
Allez, let's go. Pret.
Which way to Marrakesh? Follow the ship.
Monsieur, vous connaissez la route de Marrakech, s'il vous plaît? De Marrakech.
Come on, jump up. Jump.
Come on.
We can't stop
This is very dangerous. My bomb. 2 hours of this till Marrakech. 2 hours.
We're drinking of a 3-wheeled car, bearing gift, we traveled so far.